Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this palette sign from Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is take some white paint and paint the whole entire palette. I did the front and the back, and also in between each one of the little slats. And I did 2 coats of this just to make sure that none of that wood was showing through. Once I had that all painted, I am going to take and put a coat of Mod Podge down on just the front half. So just on top of all of the slats. Once that Mod Podge was all dry, I'm going to take these napkins that I got from Walmart and I pulled it down to 1 ply, and I'm going to lay that right on top of my palette, and then I'm going to iron that down, and I'm just going to put a piece of parchment paper over it and then iron that on. And you want to pay attention to the placement of your napkin because you want the eyes to end up on one slat together. So I ended up having to redo this because I didn't pay attention at first, and I made the mistake of putting one of his eyes in between the slats. So when I cut out the excess, as you can see, it's going to cut off the eye. So it did end up redoing this. So I had this all cut out, used my scissors first, and then I'm going to use a nail file to get in between each one of the slats. So as you can see, I'm just kind of pushing it in there and sanding off the extra pieces that are in the in-between of the slats. So here you can see I fixed it and I moved the eye. Next, I'm going to take some of this glitter paint. It's from Hobby Lobby. I just found it. I'm going to put that on all of the red on the snowman. So all over his scarf, the brim area of the hat, and then there's red berries in the corner. I'm going to put some on each berry as well. And this is just going to add like a glitter to the scarf and to the hat and to all those little berries to kind of make that red pop. And I'm just taking it and putting it on each one of the berries, just kind of dabbing it on in the paint and then dabbing it on. And this is just going to kind of give it a sparkly, shimmery look that ended up really making all of that pop. And you can kind of see it in the video. It's kind of hard to see on camera. Next, I made a bow out of some black and red mesh ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I wrapped that together with a pipe cleaner, a black pipe cleaner, and then I'm just going to twist that to the top of the sign here, right on the hanger, cut off that excess pipe cleaner, kind of arrange the bow how I want it, and then finally I'm going to add a little silver bell to the center of that bow. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to do that. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I absolutely love it. And it was super easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.